Lady's Little Shed Shop. Today we are going to make a Christmas gift for my niece. Nice piece of art. I think it's a nice piece of art. Hopefully she'll appreciate it. Obviously she's got other Christmas gifts, but you know, this one's, you know, from the heart. It's handmade, isn't it? And handmade is always better. Hopefully she likes it. Hopefully you do too. Stick around and let's make it on the Scrollsaw. That is going to look fantastic when it's done. I hope it's going to look fantastic when it's done. There's multiple ways of finishing it. I was going to sand the wood, this plywood, before I put this on. I thought there's not really much point. There's probably going to be tape residue left behind. This is going to be fairly delicate when it's done, but it should be robust enough to take the sander. Not the bench sander. No. Nowhere near robust enough for that. But finishing sander, the mouse sander, you know, the detail sander, or even the oscillating sander, the oscillating disc sander, even that may even be absolutely fine for this. Belt sander, no. Disc sander, detail sander, finishing sander, no problem. There's a lot less surface area once it's done, therefore the sanding should be quicker. We're going to get that done on the Scrollsaw. So first of all, we are just going to cut the majority of this pattern out and get rid of a lot of the waste. Just make it a little bit easier. See, sometimes even people like me have problems. I forgot to measure the distance between the blade and the back, the throat, for the actual depth of the board I'm using. The pattern is good and will fit, but the waist doesn't. So I have to take it out, back it up, back it off, take it out, cut off this extra bit of waste here. And now we can continue. What an idiot. Ta-da! Actually, I quite like that on its own. That looks quite good, doesn't it, on its own? Ta-da! Okay, so that is that. I didn't show cutting out a couple of pieces, but you know, one big bit of waste, two big bits of waste, little bits down here, and then the big bit of waste, and then her. Out she comes. And there we have it. One beautiful bird with a lady in the middle. This though, the way this has come out is fantastic. I was looking at it thinking that could almost be, you know, well, something on its own, I suppose, you know. Maybe do it a different colour and have it stepped forwards like that, or something else, or I'm not entirely sure. Or maybe draw around this and then just stick and paint it black, and then literally just stick that on. I think that would look quite amazing in itself. But I just think the way it's come out is quite elegant, actually. Clearly, I messed up a few times, or it could almost be a what's that called? Put a shelf on. Yeah, you could almost put a bracket. Almost be a bracket. Almost. Not quite. I need a bit more cutting, but almost. So now, what I didn't show was this piece of wood, this piece of ply, actually has quite the bend on it. I don't know how much you'll be able to see that in the there. See, the wings are flat, and this tail has got quite the gap. So I'm not going to try and bend it back. I think I could maybe put some weight on it, but I don't think it needs it. It kind of gives it a little bit more effect. So now it's just peel it and sand it, and then work out how we're going to finish it. I have an idea. If it works, I think it will look amazing. But I hope the pattern in the ply has come out the way that I was expecting it to. Not expecting it to, but hoping it would. That looks amazing. I love how this pattern in this plywood has come out in two places. I like it in the tail. I like it where it goes across the two wings and the head. I think it's quite awesome. In two minds now. Do I sand it and lacquer it, or it's definitely got to be sanded, or do I sand it and finish it the way I wanted to? I don't know. I'm going to have a little think and see. Excellent. That's now nice and sanded. On Dave, the downdraft box. If you want to know how to make one of these, it's in my other video, one of my other videos. Ava Butchers. There you go. Lacquer it. But I think I'm just going to shoot this up with a lacquer because it's got a lovely grain in this this bit of ply, which is unusual, especially for a bit of ply to look really nice on its face. I'm going to have to wait until it's a bit warm in the shed shop because it's proper cold. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get the next video when it comes out. Hopefully it won't be too long. Like I said in one of my other videos, it's getting pretty cold now. It's that time of year, so it may be a little while before I get back in it. Hopefully we don't have another bad day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.